Hey guys, it's me again, Flo. If you followed me on the Lagos to Onitsha road trip, you know that this is where we ended the journey. I'll link the other video in the description box or up above, anyway. I'm in Anambra State right now. If you want to see more of this kind of Anambra road trips, give this video a huge thumbs up to motivate me to go and show you your father's house, okay? Yeah, thumbs up this video. It helps a lot. And let me know where I should go in the comments, okay? Enjoy! This is Fagor. K Street, Alpha Street.
Niger Street.
Niger Street, yeah. It makes sense because you have a river Niger do not have traffic gang.
2 weeks minimum.
See the containers. The containers. My container is in the high sea. See container. All the containers that land in Nigerian wharf come to the east. Yeah. Igbos. Nakwana.
Actually, park never car park.
Hey, madre. See the river.
Answer for can I lose the ball? But don't how much supposed in a butcher say ham and the on the South local government. How supposed in a butcher all these things?
Yes, Niger River, Niger was ever Kahana also the team called. This road they completely condemned because of the sound.
I'm just the dredging machine, so Nanda was
See dredgers.
No, it's about preventing some baby construction. I know what tax ever. I know more Anambra State government tax. Per ton, the ship. Okay, I happy the business. Even before you have a KJ. Happy this year boat was this year. We abanye kujo the more for a long process. If I had Google pumping machines, industrial pumping machines, artisan and I make Plaza. Maybe at TC motor. Mama Kitty, that's where I'm how much about
market. Alpha Street. I'm on Fagor for mommy.
Major streets, Anambra Street, Kamo Street are open now.
No, a signboard. I know my phone. Creek Road. Okay. Ebe one can edit no miri di eba ke one can eba one can eba before hey now wow so Aluchago because all the bigger than this Amezi has got her now
area niile nọ na-akpọchisi ahịa na Niger Street n'ọnya nwa bụ Peter n'isi Emeka.
Police nọkwa n'ime ebe a wee na-ekpokọzi ndị. See the Anambra State color. Anambra State color is yellow and black. Gafa Street. See containers.
Peter Road.
Kawkwabida.
From Peter's that Mareba container.
See containers. See containers. 20 containers in the high sea. This is what they mean by that. My container has landed. See container. This is Upper New Market Road, no? Kamo Plaza. Hey. Una mgba alụchakwara ya ọ dị n'uju ọ na-adị ka aeroplane. Hey. Mamudi design alụrụ ya arụ ihe nka. Okay, ka ịza afịa. Nna ya mana onye nwe na.
Kamo.
Oh, nwoke ma na o si container n'ebe a.
Ka ezigbo afịa.
Container, money I go never go Nigeria. We go on that same street on Mo Christian.
Okay.
The non care man can travel or continue to go.
Cow. Guta Road.
Yeah.
You want to handle the henka. And you couldn't have a have really a look or junior. Road. This is DMGS. Hey, DMGS Onitsha. Wow. Wow. And that's All Saints Onitsha. All Saints Anglican Church Onitsha. And that's Premier Primary School. If you are an alumnus of Premier Primary School, let me know. Or Premier was here. Eba an alumni. Okay. Tata All Saints. Okay. This is Premier Primary School. This is Oka Road. Wow, wow, wow. This is General Hospital Onitsha. General Hospital Onitsha.
No, il a mesuré même plus
and up there, ABS Junction, yeah. If you go a little bit, you see ABS Radio and TV Onitsha. And inside is GRA. This side is GRA as well. Oh, okay. Eba Kalo ShopRite Onitsha. Eba ABS city. Oh. So, kezebe ABS citizen. Ebu Baziliaime. And ShopRite eba. I'm not in a ShopRite in Ime town like this, sir. Wow. This is Okosi Road. Continuing on Oka Road. Our mama alone, I lived here. Woo. Oh my God. This is Obi of Onitsha's palace here. You see? You see? Wow, Makazio. Why everyone can be a meeting in Bosia? Hey. Oh, Makazio. And this is Onitsha. This side. We shot everywhere, right? Left and right. Onitsha villages. Yeah. Imogwe. Inland town. Hey, wow. This place has not changed. Just busier, but it hasn't changed. It hasn't changed. This is St. Charles Secondary School, Onitsha. On the left, you have the science school here, you have the secondary school here, and that's St. Mary's Catholic Church. St. Mary's, Oka Road. Wow. Imo Hey, Imobe. Hey, Onitsha. Good old days. Good old days. Abụ m onye Onitsha. Ịghọtago nwa onye Onitsha ada eje boy. Father eje boy. Hey, oh my God, memories of Onitsha. Okay, look at him go see him buy gafe Ado girls. See the Happy Bite building. Happy Bite used to be here. Their bread, eh?
That's a putasa.
Oh my God. It's again. Eh? Traffic ever no on a Savoy con a video ball since so. CN Orajiaka or Rajis. Sure, party whoever since so one. See the famous Savoy up there. See the famous Savoy. It's no longer there. Replaced by a filling station. Madre mia. Famous Savoy Hotel.
24.
Obey na Nazioga. Oh, motor maybe. And when you get to push you out of that place. I don't know about phase one. So this is Zeke's roundabout. This is Zeke's house. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the famous Nnamdi Azikiwe. This is his house. This is his compound. They've transformed this place. Wow. And this is Old Road. If you go through here, you get to Oka as well. But it's the old road. It's very busy. So we're going to take here and cut it off. This is the expressway. This is Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So, did you recognize anywhere? Did you see your school, your street, your current house, your former neighborhood? This is already Mpo Express. We've left Onitsha behind. So, this is where I'll say bye-bye. Have you liked this video yet? Bye-bye. See you soon.